This is question 12 from chapter 5A of the Year 12 Maths Quest textbook. In this one here we've got a cylinder. So I'm just going to draw a cylinder. So we'll give it that it's got a height of h and a radius of r. Now what we're looking for is to find the rate of change of the surface area with respect to time. So we need to rule through our surface area, but it's actually made up of different shapes. So first of all, I think about the circles. We've got two circles, so we're going to have two lots of pi r squared. So that will give me my area of circle. Then for the rectangle, if I think about the sides being unravelled, that will be a height h, and that will be a length of 2 pi r, which is the circumference of a circle. So the area of the rectangle is going to be 2 pi r multiplied by the height. Now putting those together, our surface area is going to be 2 pi r squared, which is our two circles, plus 2 pi r height. Now we can differentiate that with respect to radius. So I'm going to put the SA dr, and if I differentiate the 2 pi r squared, we're going to end up with 4 pi r. Then differentiating our area for the rectangle, we're going to have simply 2 pi h. If I go and look for what I'm looking for, we're actually looking for the surface area with respect to time. So we're looking for dSA dt. Now I know that my surface area with respect to height is given, and we're actually given dr. We're actually given dr dt in part of the question. So we were given that dr dt is equal to 0.01. So knowing that now, we can substitute in it, and you can see that the drs will sort of effectively cancel to leave us with surface area with respect to time. So putting in my values now, we're going to have 4 pi r plus 2 pi h multiplied by the 0.01. Now that would be a general equation. Now we're told that at a point when the radius is equal to 15 centimetres, so we can go and put that in now. So we'll end up with the surface area with respect to time is equal to, sorry, that's a 4 there, 4 pi times 15 plus 2 pi times 90 times 0.01, where I've substituted in 90 for the height. Multiplying that out, that will give us 2.4 pi, and that will be in cubic centimetres per minute. And that would be our answer.